It hurts.
Correct. At the moment, we are of the opinion that human rights should not be extended to angelic.
The following is an emergency broadcast. Listen carefully and follow all orders. Greetings, fellow compatriots. This is Abel, one speaking to you. The worst-case scenario has come to fruition. The second tower of Babel finds itself under attack. As detailed in our emergency codex, I will now be taking full control of the tower system. Please follow the instructions disclosed in your employee handbook. All procedures are to be routed through me first.
Angel Engine video game! Wishlist on Steam now!
I can not.
Did he not ask you to end his suffering?